Namaste. Welcome to Easy Ayurveda. I am Dr. Sudarshan. Today, let us learn about Shadbindu Taila, an Ayurvedic herbal oil used in Nasya treatment. Few drops of this oil are instilled into nostrils, useful to relieve headache, baldness, and hair fall. Shadbindu literally means 6 drops. It hints that the most common dosage of this oil is 6 drops. However, its dose can be increased or decreased based on the patient's strength and disease intensity. Let us know the use of Shadbindu Taila first. It is useful in Ayurvedic treatment of headache, dizziness, sneezing, cold, cough, migraine, teeth weakness, hair fall, hair thinning, etc. It improves vision and immunity. It gives strength to the hair roots and teeth, useful in the treatment of alopecia. It gives strength to the shoulders and thus useful in cervical spondylosis, neck stiffness, pain, and shoulder stiffness. Its hair and eye strengthening benefit is directly attributed to Bhrangaraja. Mode of usage of Shadbindu Taila. At first, face and neck are massaged with sesame oil for 2 to 5 minutes. Then, mild hot fermentation is given to the face or face is washed with lukewarm water. The patient is made to lie down and 2 to 6 drops of the oil are instilled into each nostril. Patient is encouraged to breathe deeply so that oil enters deep into the nasal cavity. If we consider side effects, it can be said that there are no apparent side effects with this medicine. However, Nasya treatment should only be undergone under the guidance of an able Ayurvedic doctor. In sensitive people, it may cause nasal irritation and excessive secretions. Most of it is tolerable and symptoms are relieved within a week. But do not use this product for self-medication. Now, let us see what the ingredients of this medicine are. It contains sesame oil, goat milk, false daisy, castor, Indian valerian, Indian dill, cog swallowwort, rasna, rock salt, cinnamon, false black pepper, licorice, and ginger. Reference of this medicine is found in the treatise Bhaishajya Ratnavali, Shiro Rogadikara. Other uses: use of Shadbindu Taila after nasal surgery such as septoplasty, turbinoplasty, correction of deviated nasal septum, etc. Shadbindu oil, 2 drops to each nostril in the morning, is very useful in post-operative care. It is useful to prevent further infection, allergic attacks, rhinitis, etc. But this should be used after the surgical wounds have healed completely, that is, around 1 month after surgery. This oil is manufactured by BAIDYANATH, Ayurveda BHAVAN, DABUR, etc. Ayurveda pharma companies. DIVYA pharmacy calls the same oil as DIVYA Shadbindu Taila. During pregnancy, always consult an Ayurveda doctor before using this oil. It is generally considered as safe to use during lactation. However, consult your doctor for the right advice. Thanks for watching this video. To learn more about Ayurveda, please visit easyayurveda.com.